power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2025 Ram 1500 RHO CREW CAB in diamond black crystal pearl. With adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, 18-inch aluminum wheels, surround view camera system, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, massaging front seats, heated steering wheel, 7,000 miles on the odometer, 14.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, heads-up display, ventilated rear seating, panoramic sunroof, power tailgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10560B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.